Welcome to today's video, guys. My name is Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com, and in today's video I'm going to do a comparison of three tracking tools, three tracking companies that you can get involved with, because tracking your clicks and knowing where they're coming from in your business is very important. And what we do here at this channel too, if this is your first time here to my channel or to my videos, what we do here is affiliate marketing videos, how-to videos, general value videos, and once in a while we throw in a motivational video for you there too. Alrighty, so and if this is your first time here, or you've been here to my videos before or my channel, and you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please reach down there below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos, which we do pretty regularly here. Alrighty? Alright guys, well with that out of the way and that said, let's get started into today's video. I'm going to switch over here to my other monitor here, and so you guys can see what what I'm going to show you here. Alrighty? Alright, so three sites today that I'm going to compare of click tracking tools that you can use to track your affiliate marketing business or whatever online business you're doing, whether it's e-com or whatnot, so on and so forth. And you can track where your clicks are coming from. It's important that you can do that, because you want to be able to do split testing, so you can see where your clicks are coming from and which one of your funnels are performing the best, or your landing pages are performing the best, right? So the three tracking tools that I want to compare today and show you the comparison and the prices of these things today are Clickmagick here is one, Clicktools is another, and then Voluum is another one. All right, so starting with Clickmagick. Clickmagick is a really good tracking tool. I've used this quite a bit here, Clickmagick. It's easy to work with, and you're able to do split testing and rotators, as you see here, and they have a lot of different tools that you can use here in this. Now you can, it works everywhere you advertise. It doesn't matter. You're just going to get a link. It'll be like a link that you create that connects to your funnel or your landing pages or whatnot, and you can place your link at different places around, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, YouTube or whatnot, and then when someone clicks on it, you'll be able to know where that click came from and be able to see the volume of clicks and do your split testing and so on and so forth, so you can keep track of what's going on. Now, Clickmagick is a really good tool, and it's the price on it. You get a 14-day free trial here with it, and the price on there is fairly cheap. It's well within anybody's reach, I believe. It's $12 if you pay it annually, $12 per month if you pay it annually or once a year. And if you pay on a month, it's $17 per month for their lowest package, up to 10,000 clicks per month, which is quite a few if you're just, you're a small business, you're just starting out in affiliate marketing. And then they have the prices go up for 100,000 clicks, and then up to 1,000,000 clicks per month for $100 a month, which is still not all that bad. All right, so that's Clickmagick there. Let's go over here and have a look at Clicktools. Clicktools is a company that's fairly new in the click tracking industry here, on how to keep track of your affiliate clicks and your business clicks and so on and so forth. They've got redirect. There's or no redirect tracking. In other words, if you're redirecting or something like that, you can track on redirects and no redirect wherever you're directing your traffic to, or whatever landing page or funnel that you're directing your traffic to. They got detailed analytics, includes an SSL domain, which is secure socket layer, and then in-depth traffic data, so you can see where your traffic is coming from. And they're coming up with a website builder here too. And then here's the owner of the company here. He's given a little testimonial there, and they've got quite a bit here. Easily identify your most profitable campaigns, everything in one place. Cutting edge redirect tracking, the only non-redirect tracking of its kind. You can now create campaigns that stay compliant with all the major traffic sources, and the campaign link you use will rotate different landing pages without the need to change the URL. So it's a different type of redirect tracking for sure than what's normal. Because usually if you're redirecting, you're redirecting somebody from one URL to another through your DNS settings on your domain in your domain, whether it's Namecheap or GoDaddy or domain hosting. All right, and they've got rotate landing pages with precision tracking, and also they have an application here where it works even with phone calls. Okay, not completely click-based, using our first-of-a-kind phone call tracking system. Pay per call campaign tracking compatible, so you never have to pay more than you need, and want to know how long the calls last, and so on and so forth. So it's quite a bit of cool tools here that you can use with this, and they have some a free trial with that too. Let's check out their pricing. Their pricing for the free, you get up to 10,000 clicks, 0 to 10,000 clicks. And then it comes with advanced click tracker tool, custom domain, landing page rotating system, so you can split test and track, an offer rotating system, optional no redirect tracking, and phone call tracking, phone call duration tracking, multiple phone numbers, one-on-one customer support, and coming soon with a landing page builder and a website builder as well. And then the next one up from there is like almost 1 cent per click, which is pretty cheap, anywhere from up to from 10,000 to 500,000 clicks. And then we're looking at about still, even at tier 2, it looks like it's almost at about 1%. Or 1 cent. I don't know how I'm reading that correctly. You know, I would think it'd be more. Maybe it's 8 cents or 7 cents. I don't get how they're doing this, but actually that looks less than 1 cent there too. The tier 1 is almost 1 cent. So I'm not quite sure how they're doing this, but nevertheless, for the 0.0081 cents per click, you're getting from 500,000 up to 1 million. It looks like there you go, 2 million clicks. Yeah. And the tier 3 is up from 2 million to 10 million. Tier 4 is going to be astronomical probably. And once again, there it is, 10 million to unlimited number of clicks. All right, so that's the Click Tools. They're fairly new in the market. I don't know that they've been around even a year yet, to be quite honest with you. Now, the next one that we're going to talk about here is called Volume. Volume is a little bit more expensive in theirs, but they it's a cloud-based ad tracker with built-in optimization tools, and it has quite a bit to it. It really does on this one here. It's even got AI, artificial intelligence optimization of your tracking and so on and so forth here. And you can track all your advertising, analyze your data for actionable insights, optimize the ad performance, and scale your business with this. And you can track everything in one place, ad formats and traffic sources, using native ads, display banners, pop-ups, email, search, push ads, social, and video. So Volume has a whole lot more features, I think, than the other two. Traffic distribution, artificial intelligence automatically A and B test your campaigns and send more visitors to the most converting. So it's a sort of like an artificial intelligence split testing capability with Volume. They have an anti-fraud click. They have an offers marketplace. If you want to find out some different products that you can market in your affiliate marketing business, you can do that right here with Volume. They have their own marketplace, and then there's notifications. You can get mobile and desktop notifications. They have a mobile app as well too, it looks like here. All right, so let's come down here in different things, but let's check their pricing out here. Now, get rid of this here. Now, their basic price per month, and this is monthly, I believe, yeah, $69 per month for the basic package here, up to 1 million events. I don't know what that means, events, I suppose clicks or something like that. And then, but anyways, on their yearly package, that's $49 paid annually. So, not too bad at $70 per month, and then it goes up from there, as you can see. And but for the $70, you can use one custom domain of your own, one dedicated domain with secure socket layer security, and 3 months data history and tracking essentials, group onboarding webinars, marketplace with offers, organic paid pixel tracking, mobile app, and basic notifications. And then you can see on their upper packages here were a little more expensive. They give a few more, a little bit additional tools, plus way more clicks. I believe events means clicks or whatever that you're doing on there. My guess would be clicks. All right. So that's the pricing on volume there. I would say that probably for the money, if you're starting out as an affiliate marketer and you're kind of new in it and your business isn't that large yet, or doesn't have that much volume per month and traffic or whatnot, and you're just starting, probably the $17 with Clickmagick is going to be your best bet here to go with. All right. Well, guys, that's what I had for you today. Wanted to compare these three click tracking tools for you, and so that you can see which one will be better for you in your affiliate business and or e-com business or whatever business you have online. Okay. All right, guys, if you like this video, by all means, reach down there and hit the thumbs up button and give me a like. And also, for crying out loud, reach down there and subscribe to the channel. We're always coming out with helpful videos here for you, and pretty much regularly here. And also, if you want to see my #1 business, recommended business, click that link down there below in the description under the paragraph where you see it says mentorwithkev.com. And check out my #1 affiliate marketing business and see what you can get for that if you read that paragraph just above where it says mentorwithkev.com. Okay, and guys, there's plenty of other links down there below too to help you out. And if you like this video and you want to leave a comment, certainly I'd be glad to hear from you. Leave a comment down in the comment section there below, and I'll be glad to chat with you. Okay, all right, guys. Well, I'm going to let you go, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next video. Okay, you guys have just a super day today. All right, bye bye now.